I have Liu Kang what Kano calls the eats.
I got a beautiful memory.
Gue udah mikir ke
Bisa jadi pilihan deh.
iya bisa ngobrol kayak gini.
Iya udah. Hi guys, my name is Nandra. I represent Cinema 21, Cinema Chain Indonesia. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Love you guys.
How's the tour so far in Jakarta? We also have the premiere in Cinema 21 last night.
Seru banget. Oh my god.
For me, it's my first real premiere.
Well, for Indonesia too, it's the first
Yeah, it's
Hollywood premiere.
yeah.
Hype dan serunya lebih seru di Jakarta sih.
The fans give us so much energy. Like I've never been to any other country or place where the fans come to the red carpet premiere with such fire and energy.
Gokil, Jakarta fire lah.
Yesterday was just mind blowing. Really, really amazing.
Bangga banget sih.
We're very excited to have you guys also. Di film pertama kan kalau nggak salah, lo adalah salah satu cast yang pertama.
Cast pertama betul.
Benar. Di film ini gimana? Sebenarnya udah tahu kalau misalnya di kedua nih Jo.
Iya.
Atau baru tahu setelah dihubungin lagi sama saudaranya?
Karena aku tahu banget lore-nya, aku juga main game dari kecil, jadi aku tahu emang transformasinya kemana gitu. Udah ketahuan lah, aku tahu secara story di game kan emang dari sini jangan ke sini. Cuman aku nggak begitu yakin apakah mereka mau menceritakan suatu cerita yang involve karakter itu. 50-50 lah, antara yakin nggak yakin apakah aku akan kembali atau enggak. Tapi akhirnya sutradaranya ketemuan di waktu itu aku lagi di LA, kita makan bareng, terus dia bilang ya we gonna have Noob. Aku bilang wah, aku sebenarnya suka banget karakter Bihan as known as Noob Saibot itu dari main gamenya kan dia emang sangat luar biasa lah, OP lah, susah dikalahin. Kalau orang pakai Noob, aduh sudah siap kalah lah. Jadi aku rasa aduh pengen banget main Sub-Zero Bihan as known as Noob. Jadi akhirnya tercapai, gokil.
Mantap lah. Aku nonton udah 2 kali, kemarin tuh kedua kalinya.
Oh ya 2 kali, masih lucu kan?
Masih keren banget, masih merhatiin kayak oh nih actionnya ada detail-detailnya.
Iya, dapat kedua kali lebih dapat kan.
Iya, emang harus nonton beberapa kali.
IMAX harus nonton di IMAX ya, karena visualnya bagus. Iya.
So Nobu, what I like from this movie is that Raiden have like the different side of him. It feels almost like funny, especially seen with Johnny Cage, right? What do you think differentiate Raiden from the first movie to this one?
今回だからその読んでてやっぱ本当にライデンの真面目さが逆に面白いなと思ったんですね。彼のそのシリアスさがすごい面白いで、それでプラス僕はその演じる上でよりなんですかゲームのキャラクターみたいに演じようと思ったんですね。でそういう意味ではなんかそういう風にすることで他の人とのコントラストができると思って挑戦しました。
Mortal Kombat kan tadi sempat mention juga kalau emang ikonik lah anak 90-an, apalagi zaman-zaman Sega dulu.
Sega,
gue juga main,
95.
walaupun nggak punya sendiri ya, gue nebeng ke rumah.
Sama aku kalau bahasa Palembangnya tuh ngandon.
Nggak
Ngandon sama nggak sih?
atau nggak ada.
Ya, jadi kalau ngandon tuh kita nggak punya barangnya, kita ke rumah teman.
Nebeng aja
Nah,
gitu.
cuman pertama kan nggak dikasih main, cuman lihat doang, pinjem dong gitu.
Kebayang nggak sih dulu pas kayak 30 tahun lagi gue akan jadi
Enggak lah,
coy,
nggak
gitu.
kebayang. Dulu tuh bagi aku ke Jakarta aja udah sesuatu yang mewah. Karena aku kan orang daerah kan, kalau ngeliat teman ke Jakarta aja, wih keren banget ya gitu. Boro-boro mikir ke
Jadi
jadi Sub-Zero main project sebesar ini, jadi emang gila sih.
Jalannya gimana
Nggak ngerti juga hitungannya gimana, karena nggak mungkin sekarang kalau dihitung pakai rumus apapun anak bocil Palembang ini nggak mungkin gitu loh.
Iya, bisa jadi pilihan deh.
Iya, bisa ngobrol kayak gini.
Iya udah. Okay, so Ludi, I heard that when during the shoot, you often goes to the hotel gym with Max to practice the movements, make it look right for the camera.
Yeah, poor guy.
Yeah. Can you tell me more about the process of that regarding to the chemistry between Liu Kang and Kung Lao?
Well, we've known each other for so long. We've known each other for over 15 years now.
Yeah.
So I can call in those special favors to, get him out of bed and practice with me. And yeah, I was quite meticulous. First, it starts with the stunt team. They already plan everything perfectly and have shot how the fight scene is supposed to look. And as actors, we have to put the emotion and the acting beats into the fight and then get the fight perfect. Max has such an extensive action background. When we practice, we've also actually shot the fight already. The other night when we're revisiting our fight, there's actually a version that he cut together just with us in the gym out of costume practicing this fight, and it looks very similar to what you see on screen without the special effects.
I mean, hands off, that's your favorite scene, the best fight scene I think in the movie.
Oh, thank you. I'm so glad you like it. Yeah.
I think what Ludi says is right. A lot of people might think that we just have to practice some movements and then show up on set and just do them, but actually what we're doing is we're performing for the camera, so like the frame is almost almost like a canvas, and we have to draw those lines and the circles. That's why we went to the gym so many nights and filmed it and made sure that the audience can see it and appreciate it. You know.
Yeah, he's a great dance partner. I don't know how he feels about me, but I have a lot of trust in him and his expertise and professionalism. We learn how to read each other's kind of language. He'll never say that's crap, you know.
You nailed it.
But he'll go. Maybe we try it a little bit faster. Yeah, we just go again and again until we get it perfect.
One thing I also noticed that from your previous interview, Max, you added the Wing Chun punch, right?
Yeah.
How did the process goes with you improvising the scene?
Well, hats off to
Yeah, he
the
didn't tell me about it. He just went for it.
No, I mean, hats off to the stunt team. They did an amazing job. I don't know about you, but they sent me the previous 8 months prior to filming.
No,
No,
Why did he
nothing?
give it to me, nothing.
The day before. I knew how the fight would look like. I love action. I love martial arts movies, so I always came up to the stunt coordinator, probably bothering him and saying which movements I would like to add. One of the movements was the Wing Chun punches because I think that's something that's very iconic that you can see a lot in the game, and I try to give the fans what they want to see.
It's good at.
Thank you.
Jus ini ada nggak sih kayak improv atau nggak misal masukin unsur-unsur silat Indonesia kali di adegannya si Noob?
Aku bilang sih kalau kita tergantung karakter kan. Kalau Kung Lao itu kan emang dia Shaolin kan. Jadi emang dia bisa masukin semua unsur bela diri Shaolin. Kelebihan itu kan dia lebih generally dikenal sebagai assassin yang mempunyai kemampuan bela diri, tapi tidak pernah dijelaskan bela dirinya apa. Mungkin banyak kan gerakan bertarung di game yang aku coba untuk pakai, tapi lebih lagi sih jati diri aku sendiri sih. Karena aku punya background judo dan silat, di The Raid juga latihan silat. Jadi aku rasa aku cukup punya keunikan di mana kalau aku berantem tuh walaupun koreografinya sama, tapi pada saat aku ngelakuin beda gitu. Karena ada flavor lah di situ.
Salah satu yang unik juga sebenarnya di karakter si Noob sama mungkin Sub-Zero yang kemarin juga gitu ya. Aktingnya kan banyak mukanya ketutup ya.
Iya.
Fokusnya tuh di alis aja dibanding
Iya,
mata.
ini doang.
Iya, tipsnya apa sih biar kayak tatapan Sub-Zero ini?
Persiapan sih,
Iya.
persiapan aku kuat ya karena aku fans juga, salah satu fans, jadi nggak susah untuk mengenal lebih jauh. Tapi persiapan sih aku baca banyak banget tuh, ada versi Midway, ada versi NetherRealm. Jadi pada saat kita sudah mengerti karakter ini dengan baik, pada saat pakein kostum walaupun tertutup semuanya, itu sih otomatis sih jadinya sih. Aku nggak pernah berpikir bahwa gimana ya cara nyampein sesuatu lewat mata.
Gitu.
Aku menjadi aja gitu. Pada saat bermain tuh aku nggak pernah mikirin ini nyampe nggak nyampe karena aku sudah menjadi di situ gitu. Dan ya syukur-syukur sih akhirnya nyampe juga gitu tanpa memikirkan outputnya seperti apa. Aku lebih fokus ke dalam internalnya aja. Dan aku akan mengekspresikan apa yang aku tahu gitu.
I also heard that Max also you get the hat from the producers, right? The Kung Lao hat.
Oh yeah.
Get one really?
Yeah, Bennett.
He sent one to you?
No, he gave it to me after rap.
Wait, so you had to bring it on the airplane?
I had to ship it to.
Oh, you had to ship it
back home.
I would love it if through the security scanner you had to raise.
Do you have your hat?
I have my hat.
I feel like I spilled a secret. It's almost there.
I have Liu Kang's what Kano calls the Eats. One of the first days of the first movie, we had to fly into the desert to film Liu Kang's introduction scene, and I was still thinking what would complete him. And then all of a sudden, as we were getting on the airplane, this tiny little airplane that we have to fly into the desert, I went, no, you need some beads, something to, like these monk beads. So then I got in contact with the props people who are also getting onto the airplane, and they were trying to figure out how to get these beads. You can get them off Amazon, but the trick is how to get it from Adelaide, a proper city, into the desert. This is how great a film crew is. They can really make things happen.
I got a beautiful memory.
Oh.
Okay, thank you guys so much for your time.